Hello, what's up? What's up? It's UJ. It's PS Rush and ow, let's go. We have today we are going to redo again the some OOP programming C++. Yes, let's go. Let's have some C++. Domenico, Domenico expansion. The new file. Okay, let me see if my live stream is working or not. Too many cosine. See, it is working, it's working, okay. Should make you man. In a class, are you holding? Then the concept of handling C plus try focus and writing a program demonstrate how to handle the and person. Okay, let's do that question now. Okay, explain the concept of succeed and expectation and then it's supposed to try throw catch. Okay. So this seems like the most repeated type question. Like there is three times it occurred, like 76, 78, and like it's like 2 years gap. 2 years gap, like and 76 my question yeah, like and it's again 78, now 80, and now I think 82. So there is a chance that this question can repeat in these years because it's like 2 year gap. Like yeah, crazy. Crazy pattern by patterns of the sun. Okay, so let's focus on this. Like it's a concept of exception handling in C++. So exception handling in C++ is a mechanism to manage runtime errors in a structured and graceful way. So exception handling in C++ is a mechanism that manages to runtime error. It helps to keep your program running even if something unexpected happens during execution. Example, division by zero, final form, etc. So C++ provides three main keywords for exception handling. Used to wrap code that to try, throw an exception. Try used to throw an exception, and catch used to handle the exception. So like try code that might throw an expression, catch, try exception this, and code an exception. Example, ending division by zero. Okay, double divide integer numerator is a constructor that's made. And the constructor takes numerator and a denominator. And if denominator equals to zero, throw runtime error division by zero. Throw. And throw we have thrown runtime error and return or if given else, right? Return static plus double numerator divided by denominator. Yeah. And dimension internumerator denominator same. Try double result equals to divide noun and num numerator and denominator result equals to result divide we divide with is a divide. Double divide. This is the operator. Double divide. So operator then we are is now operator here and now the was to take denominator and denominator and result is this and catch runtime error. Catch runtime error. If it catches runtime error, then exception code e dot what is base e dot what is my explanation functions check if the geometry is zero, so it throws a runtime error. Try block calls the divide function. It's like a simple output. What is that? About program classes makes code cleaner, easier to debug, separates error handling logic from regular logic. Okay. So let's copy this, paste it. That's exception. Here what we can see is the class life. The class life has inside we have an age. So let's put age. And now inside age we have public void read, which says see out install your age. That's simple, right? Now we take age as an integer, which is like this. Age takes age as an integer. All right, now there is int main. Now we can take this. So now let's see it here's age a dot read a dot. No, sorry, it's not age. Sorry, I think it's life. Let's take life a. Now a dot we have read, right? Take the read, and if think we need what we need is void get age get age and return age is important. I think now if a dot age is the age is entered the age entered is less than 100, less than 100, less than 0. That's all right. If the age is less than 0, we have like odd a dot equal is greater than 150. Then we have is right. And then to control the age, um, catch, catch, uh, age, strike your out. So, okay. See out, invalid, copy, paste, and int age is equals to 0. Is equals to age. With image. And if age is less than 0 and age is more than 150, throw age. See out your age is this age and catch and invalid age. Invalid age? No, man. No. कह दो कि ये झूठ है. And there are some. Why? Where is the invalid age coming from? I don't understand this invalid age. I don't understand where the invalid age is coming from. This guy just came out of nowhere and just said hello to me. I don't know. Here we are throwing age, right? And the age is going where? I mean, age is going where? We are catching where? And this is wrong. ChatGPT is doing wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Let's try. Okay. Let's try to do this. It's if this ChatGPT is wrong or not. I'm not going to throw this. Yeah, Huawei. Merge कर दी. If age is less than 0 and blah blah blah, no, blah blah, so, or age is. So today we are learning about try, catch, and throw. Error handling, exceptions. Like if you have like zero, if you have like zero divisible by zero, what would you do? That's how today we are learning that. So age is so this question is like to try and catch and throw by using try catch and throw. We have to write enter age, and if the age is more than or less than 0 and more than 150, then it is error. So we have to show that like if the age does not exist or invalid age. So now let's see. Now we are doing age is more than 150, and now there is like bracket here. We have to throw age, right? Throw age, throw age. And now this should not be like this. I think it should be like int age, invalid age entered, invalid age entered, right? Invalid age should not. What's the wrong here? I think void life get age is wrong. Right? Mm, You're saying this code will run, but my code won't run. Oh, so we cannot write void age. Void age is like you are not expecting a return. You can use return and void at the same. Shit. That's why it's getting error because the return and void are different types of what are void and different types of what void data types are what in void data types. Yes, it's a data type. So each does you cannot write the you cannot write So now what is the problem here? Oh yeah, we cannot this. Okay now again. Okay, it's executing now. So if I write age is -7, invalid age entered. Look at this one. ChatGPT is wrong here, man. You cannot in this code. You should not have written invalid age because what does that do? It does not have any place to go. It's just like orphan, a child with no mother or father or no origin. Yeah. Invalid age, just invalid age came out of nowhere. But the thing is, if it is not, if it is not invalid, now what to do? Then? See, our program continues after exception handling. Okay. So what the question was the question was that write a program that asks a user to enter the age. If the age entered is less than 100, zero exception. If the age is valid, display age. Okay, if the age is valid. So how to know like age is valid and catch in age and like see how your age is valid. Copy. I think your age is age. So yes. No, but you can write age, right? Or what? Maybe we can write age. So there's like age here. What's the problem? You can't write age. You have to write like a dot age dot get age. Executing. Okay, we are getting this. Like if I write two, your age is two. Okay, nice. But if I write -2, then it will still show your age is -2. Yes, that is the problem. You cannot show your age is -2. So I think I have to make again a case like this only try if a days get in if age is less than throw is here. I think it's the same thing you have to do again. Okay, like you have to try intake give phases throw age. Okay, and age and copy. But just opposite you have to write. This is like if age is more than 0 and less than 150 through age and copy paste and age. Okay, so this should work. Okay, so if I write -2, no, man, it didn't work. Didn't. My the course does not let me do why. My exam is in 10 days, why, and I have to learn this C++. So age is age, but it does not work. So if age is if age is equals to a dot get age, no. Age is less than empty, so why it's not working? It's not working. I think maybe should work now. Minus zero. So at zero, if I write one, then your age is one. And law, your category to compiler is zero. I think this is second. I have to make a new one. Compiler, the okay, because I should have that. We used to. The question is here, man. This is a demonstration. Fucking pushing another picture. That's hello, hello, hello. There is a sound, man. I'm just not speaking. I'm on full focus, man. Just trying to see. Okay, so there's like I am trying in age. If try, if this is not this, then so age, then I think there is like this. Yeah, right. See how your age is age. Yes, and welcome to the stream. Make sure to like, see your shirts move to for this sketch, please. Try this is two. What is this to me? Now users -3 invalid age enter. So okay, I think this is done. Okay, so finally I've done the question. So just there was like this. So what is this? So this is the age we took, and if it was this, then age, or if it was not, then this was this. Okay. If it was not this, then it's like else. If this, then else out. Why you are not using VS Code? I'm not using VS Code because I think I'm more familiar with Dev C++. So in my college, they all use Dev C++, you know. And when I was in class 11 and 12th, I still use Dev C++. So like, it's kind of like rooted in me now. I know like how to use Dev C++. And yeah, welcome my Russian friend, Seshon. I don't understand Russian only. So this is let's do another question, okay? Another question. Catch, right. So here's another question. Write a program that uses the shit is wrong. So I was try for different action types of catch and address in coding. So what is this question is okay. Write a C++ program that asks user to enter a positive number to users. If the user enters zero or a negative number, throw an exception. The user enters a number greater than 1,000, throw another exception. If you don't have the exception for these two cases, for example, throw an int for zero, negative, and a const char for greater than 1,000. So use multiple catch blocks to handle this exception separately with acknowledgements. Oh shit! Oh shit! So this is going to be very long, I guess, or it seems like. Game zone minus space stadium plus. Why not just read Strauss books? Okay, the creator's book. I have my own book. You know, this book is I have Arjun Singh South. You know, this is from my college. This is what my college has provided me a book from Arjun Singh South, not the creator. I don't know why. Maybe it was too much money. You know, how much does it cost Freson to buy that book of Strauss? What was his name, man? I forgot his first name. I think Strauss was his last name. Number. I mean, let me do it. The number INT no no INT no. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. I do my daily streams of this C++, mainly at this hour. Uh, I'm just like a beginner in this C++. So it's like me learning C++ from zero. It's like the zero to hero content of C++. The, the number and no, no, okay, now there is no. Again, we took to know now on maybe programming principles and practice using programming principle and practice using C++ second edition. Is it? I don't know if it's available in my country, man. Like, I need to check it out. Programming principles and practice using C++. Thanks for recommending my other. I will definitely look at it. Let me see. Programming principles and practices. Let me just copy this. is that I will search in the internet, this books in my country. This practice using C++, using C++, second edition, click on copy. Yeah, copy test. Int, no, no, oh no, oh no, oh no, uno, dos, tres, return, no, return, no, int main, int main, there is int main, okay, int main, there is number, let's see, we have this number and dot read first. So we need a number. Okay, this is done for half of the question. We will not ask, but 25% is done. We have input that takes user that takes inter that asks the user just download it no matter what. With information. Yes, yes. You mean a PDF file? Okay. I thought it physical copy, but yeah. Internet is very easy. I will probably download it after stream through some not so illegal sites that I know. Yes. Yeah. Okay. We'll definitely download it now. What you are saying, I thought physical copy, but yeah, you mentioned it that you can download it from online. So yeah, I will definitely look into it. And I will tell you tomorrow if how helpful the book is. Maybe it is very helpful. I don't know. So now first question: the user enter zero or trying to not throw an exception. Try if if age is if if okay, first we need to make this int n dot get no equals to no, just to easy peasy for me to do this. No is equals to, maybe I should do this in Kotlin here, or maybe can I do this like int no equals to this? Yes, I think I can do it, right? It would be very easy for me to because there are so many exceptions I have to do. So the user enters zero or a negative number. The user enters zero. Okay, so equals to. Okay, you can say equals to or less than equals to. Less than equals to zero. If no is like this number is given, no is less than equals to zero. So what is use different types of example for these two cases. For example, throw an int for zero or negative. So throw no. After this throw, then we have to catch in no, and this we have to give this copy, right? So no, copy C out. Okay, so if this works, then okay, it doesn't work here. Why? C out error positive int no. Maybe let's see. From reporting window, missing terminating character. What? No was not declared in the scope. Okay, I can do this. Maybe. I think I can't do this. So I have to do here. Extend N dot get no is equals to no. Now, when no number must be provided, see out, copy, get no incomplete exception. And you only check for or not forward enough. Not enough print the valid number when it's okay. I know, I just corrected. N is N oh no is equals to this is no is equals to N dot no. uh, So previously I did age. What is wrong here? Maybe something is wrong. You know, oh, is this is wrong here. Sorry. Number two, two is two. Okay, but its number is minus two. Number is minus two. Your number must be positive. Okay, that's true. What our question was to get is if the user enters a number greater than thousand, so another exception. So we are throwing another thing. If no is number greater than thousand, so another exception greater than thousand. Greater than thousand. If no is greater than thousand, 1000. If no is greater than 1000, then throw another exception, but this exception should be a character, right? Constant characters. So throw something like what? Throw you know erode. So erode now catch uh const car erode. Then we have cout erode number is because copy number is too large erode save this should just now it is if I write minus two, then the must be positive, right? Now if the greater than 1000, right? Greater than 1000. So let's do 2000. 2000, then number is too large. Okay, this is done. On scan error and okay, error takes zero here. Is zero then now I think the catch. Now for we have to do if the number is valid, okay. If the number is valid. Now let's try here, right? Cout. If it does not have anything, we can write your you entered you entered you entered no 700 that you entered 700. That's the question, right? We have done another question of try, throw, and catch. I think I have known now. I know the concept of try, throw, and catch. Try is the things that's going to happen. if it's not like this exception, like if it's divided by zero or something like that, you can try to know if to know, if this is divided by zero, then we have to throw exception here, and the cat will catch, and it will give a message. That's an error message. That's a gift. It's like something like a bug detection. It's like a bug detection, but it detects by, programmer makes a program that detects, sometimes you add like, let's say you add a email, but that's not an email. That's like a, mistakenly doesn't put at the rate at the email. It's just like .com or no at the rates and all straight .coms. How does the computer, like in a website? I think I try to understand with that logic that the website will show the message of error. How? Because there is a thing like if, like I think I've also done that, in JavaScript. In JavaScript, while making a website, by login page. When you make a login page in a website, you try to. I've made it, in my previous years. I made a web or login page, and with the help of JavaScript, I think I made a something like a detecting if there is a at the rate or if it's email or not, and if it's not email, then it's show error message. Like it's not an email. So that's how I think this also works, like the try catch, and if try catch and throw things work like that. Like how those error message comes in login pages when you have done invalid email. That's how I think this is also done. So this is try, throw, and catch. And catch will basically catch the value that you throw open. If you have throw open error, the int will not catch error. It's simple. This error will be caught by this little command, and this will be shown. That's how this all works. So this is for these try, throw, and catch. So now let's go with another question. One time ago, they're graceful. So they say this is a template. Make the function template. Okay, we will come back to that. I think tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow we will learn file handling. I think I will try to learn file handling today. Let's learn another thing. Okay, what is the user constructor structure? Let's try variable constructor, copy constructor. What is the concept of our file prints? Let's start with the example. From the concept of function frame, the copy the system, and the machine they use in the example. Open chart file that time. Okay, so what's the first question I can do? So I was here just to learn that. Let me just learn one complementary question, then that's it for today. Hmm. New operator, the use of new operator. What is a new operator now? Do we know what new operator is? State the use of new operator. Use of new operator is to dynamically allocate memory on the heap. Restore. Allocates memory at runtime, returns pointer to pointer. Man, I hate pointers. I think I have to learn pointers again when there is like if there is memory allocation question using pointers, then I have to learn again about the memory pointers. Must be great to need to free memory. Okay, this is a new operator here. Pointer allocates in the. I hate pointers when it's define on the class I can define function related in ocean class. And when okay, so let's do this and just finish this thing. Okay, let's do this. Let's make this what is this called? Hierarchy. 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 Okay, let's make hierarchy. So this is the last one. Let me do fast. Okay. I think I know this. So this is like a staff code name. Also, staff code name should so what is the staff code name again here and here? Okay, let's it's like double, right? Like why it is two staff code name. So it's like this staff code name is connected to this, and this. It's like one too many, like one too many, one too many. So what will be one too many set or what? No, not something like that. So teacher is also staff. Typist is also staff. Okay, let's make this. I think this is not staff. It's the staff. I think the question is kind of wrong or intentionally wrong, but like this and this are same, right? So okay, let's do what the question is saying. Okay, let's not be too smart. Okay, we are making four classes now. We are for class staff, and in there we have a code, int code. So let's do flow int code, and there is character. Let's do string, man. String. We are using now string library. String, and now let's use string. String name. Let's do name, and now let's do public, and now let's do is avoid and read without enter your code and name. See in someone has to do this. Same code name. Now this void read, and now let's do void display see out enter see out now see out number code is code and name is name. Okay, that's all. We have a read and name. Then there is class. Another that will say is a teacher, which is int salary. I mean, you can have a salary in decimals also, like, but let's do int salary. Now, string subject. Now, let's do this public, public, and void read, and oh, see out. Oh, yo, bro, what's up? See out. Enter the salary and subject. So salary subject. Now void display. What is your favorite web series in terms of what? Comedy? Like I like to watch. I'm watching Dexter. I, my favorite, I don't know, it's not Dexter, but I think it's Mind Under maybe, I finished that. Mind Under, I would say. It's kind of interesting. Yeah, Mind Under is my favorite right now. I suggest people, to watch Mind Under, but they don't like it much. But I think it's kind of great series to watch. What is your favorite? What is your favorite series? Sure. Your next one is Okay, there's like and speed the enter the speed void display see out um speed is speed again. Now this is okay. We have typist. Why is there two staff, man? Why? So like, this two staff is kind of sus, bro. So let's make like this staff will have capital S. Okay, now this is the code which this is kind of to us. As a followed, define functions, restriction information as and when required. So time to main. We have INT main here. So let's okay. So from staff, we have to get everything right. Staff, teacher, typist, staff. So like, do we have to like do this? Is it like public? Let's see if it works. Like it's teacher, public, typist, public, and staff. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, now let's see if the what is stuff, right? Stuff. So small stuff s dot. Okay. Okay, so we have s dot read. Okay, what does this do? Okay, is mistake. Okay, why was the mistake? That is interesting. Why is the mistake? Mistake is class name before this, sorry. What does that mean? Expected class name before this. So like I have to delete this or what? Like public error. You are like this. Nah, bro, what? Tomorrow's stay cool. Should I run into you? Okay, so fellow dreamer. So is aroma for. Okay, I'll just say key, copy and paste it here. I'll not put the whole code because if I put the whole code, ChatGPT will just give me the answers. Let's say you're trying to declare class with multiple instances, but the syntax is incomplete and respect down. Okay, you are since attending this kind of structure. Yes, yes. But you have written yes, yes. For example, multiple inheritance is okay. Base class. We have teacher. Oh, typist. Oh, what? Staff member, public, and then report. The staff with the name, space star, as the display. Oh, so this is always staff number. Staff member. So okay, so this was supposed to be staff, and this was supposed to be staff member. I mean, I did the same, right? Public, typist, public, staff. So is this correct? Copy. Is this correct? You're very curious as I on this collection, and this is one of the case. And so your class name must match exactly, including capitalization. I mean, like, okay, for teacher has not capital, typist doesn't have capital, and his has capital. Okay, so what? But still, it's not working. What's the hey, man? I think this should have be like at last. Maybe that's why I think this should be the last class copy. I think that it does also affect taste. If I do this, staff member, save it, and then I do this. No, what? No, Mary, no, Mero, no, Mero, no, no, no. This should not be here. No, Mero, this should not be here. And now, what is this? What is your here? Is this? What, what the hell? What the hell? So many wrong, so many wrong. Code name again, capital, that's not capital. Code name, it's not capital. Okay. Save. Code name, it's not capital. It's not created. Save. Staff as staff member. Sorry, it's staff member. Okay. It's executing. Two. And E. Okay. This it does read, but it does read my so now like S dot. Okay, I have so many now. Oh shit, I have so many display and what should I do now? It's like so many display and things going on here. Display from teacher, right? Teach class teach. S dot teach class. Void teach. I teach students. Void teach. I should have written like it's so confusing. So display as it as is for T display T. Go just adapt a variable naming convention so you can have to mess with the capital and small logic. So what does that mean? A variable naming convention. See, I am very new at this, bro. I don't know. I just learned C++ 3 months ago. So, I mean, 3 months is a very long time, but I have not learned like that much. TT. So now S dot. Okay, so we have S dot. Oh, as read as. Okay, now we can read as dot display as dot. No, no, no. Why you're displaying again? We have to do this at last. At last. Okay, read. Variable naming conventions are a set of rules that define how variables should be named in programming. Like it's a rule book. So, like, okay, let me just ask ChatGPT. Okay, I may be running late, but okay, let me just ask this. What is a variable naming naming convention? Naming convention set of rules and patterns when naming variables to code readable, consistent, maintainable. Conventions. Camel case example student name total marks variable functions. Pascal case student name total marks class name structure. Class name structure. Snake case student name total sometimes used for variables less common in circles. Uppercase max size constant or macros. Oh, so you are saying like I should do like capitals small like for things that is for like for variables and function I should do it small, but for class name and structure I should be using capital letter. So I'm using here small, so that is kind of wrong according to the rule book. Okay, I understood what you're trying to say. Okay, I will apply to my next programming, but right now I am very late. Okay, so let's start. And thanks for suggestion. It's Kind of you to suggest. My code is finished now. I think I just need to do this display DDD. Yeah, display 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, save. I will. Okay, code 2, 2. Name is John. The code 3, 3. Name is 4, 4. Oh, what? Enter speed and I think I clicked too fast. Why it's like enter speed and should have right Indian also, right? And then yeah, the one. And then and then Indeed, I should copy this. Copy, and yeah, here, here, here. Just makes the code really good. Two, RR, two, RR, two, RR. Speed is minus. Why is the speed? Where is the speed? Read T. Where is the read T? Read T there, right? Why it's not? I have to copy this. And something is wrong with the code. Copy space. Yeah, make it credible. How you are currently achieving the fixed code, redundant code name, stuff, number, missing input for speed. Oh, yep. Speed. Now it's a picture. Line two, two, two. Now it's working. So I think, yeah, that's it for today, guys. I think I have today we learned about multiple inheritance. We learned multiple inheritance and try, catch, and throw. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. I will be back tomorrow at the same time, learning something new. Okay. So yes, thanks for joining in. See ya tomorrow. Oh, hello. I'm saying thanks for tuning in. See ya tomorrow. Yeah, Gamerly, you can subscribe if you want. We are very close to 600 subscribers. Voice is decent. Yeah, man. Gamerly, voice is decent, man. Kuma Star. They want PTA. What PTA? Okay, man. Thanks for watching, man. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. I will be doing the live stream again tomorrow, learning something new about C++. And yes, take care, man. Bye bye. Have a good day or night.